Hello, Miss Bell's Algebra 2, looking for GFCs of monomials and going to do the odd ones. You all had some problems here. I'm not sure if you got all those done. I'll just, leave this on here for a second. You guys did these in class, and so, you could take a look at these. That were done in class. And that last one I did not fill in yet, but maybe you get a chance to fill it in. What we're looking for is the greatest common factor, and hopefully you pause this, as I go through this. Greatest common factor for each of these, including these variables here. So the highest number that would go into, you multiply something by to get both of these, okay? So, 12 I can multiply by 2 to get 24, 12 I can multiply by 3 to get 36. That's about the biggest number that I could get. That's the greatest number. That is the greatest common factor between 24 and 36. Even though there are less numbers, I could use 2, but it's not the greatest. I could use 4. It's not the greatest. I need, 12 is the greatest. Okay. X squared is as high as I can go with my x's because, this one goes all the way up to 9, but this one only goes up to x squared. So x squared would go into both of these x's, would fit into both of these. And just a regular y to the first power, or just y, because this y is to the first power. I can't go any further. I can't match this one that goes up to the 3. I can only, but this one could cover this y. So this is the greatest common factor for these two y's also. Okay, same thing for this one. 12 goes into both, 12 and 48. 12 goes in once here, 12 goes in 4 times here. X squared goes into both of these x's. X squared goes into this once. X squared, could fit in there a few more times, but at least I can get an x squared out of both of those. And a y. Notice there is no z, so I can't, there isn't a z in this one, so I can't list it in the greatest common factor of those monomials. And then this one becomes 6x cubed y because 6 goes into both the 24 and the 60. It's the highest one, I believe, because I tried 8. 8 didn't work. Next, 3 is the highest that I could go for, covers both of these. And y, since this is just a y, it will cover in here also. So I have 6x cubed y is my greatest common factor. Try 2 on your own. Try the evens on your own. For number 3. Oh, and by the way, you're supposed to shade the box that doesn't belong. So this would be the box that you're shading, or put an X on or something. I don't know. Okay, for number 3, getting the greatest common factor for 24 and 27, it's going to be 3. And then the m squared is as high as I can go. With the m's, the y's, the highest I can go is 3. And z, the highest that would cover both of these. That's why I'm saying the highest I can go. Is z5, okay? Because this one has only z5. I can't go z6 because this one only has z to the 5th power. So that's as high as I can go to cover both of these. And then this one ends up being 3m squared y cubed. And this one ends up being 3m squared y cubed. Okay. Try 4 on your own. For number 5, I'm going to go with 50 xyz. This is 10 xyz and 10 xyz. So the one that doesn't belong would be this one. And number 3, the one that doesn't belong would be that first one also. because the other two you can't cover Z in both of them because there isn't Z in both of them. All right. Hopefully this helps with your GFC of monomials.